Hebei Feixiang Roll Forming Machinery Company Limited. Double factory layout, strength witness. Hebei Feixiang Tile Press has been cultivating the industry for many years, relying on two modern production bases in Hebei, forming an industrial pattern of north-south coordination and efficient linkage. The two factories are equipped with a team of professional engineers. Make sure the technical workmanship is correct. Hebei Feixiang Tile Press is backed by the production capacity of dual factories, driven by technological innovation and committed to mature delivery. We are committed to providing cost-effective molding solutions to global customers. Sincerely invite partners to visit the scene and witness the quality and strength